The all-new Ford Focus enhances the legacy established by the game-changing first-generation model, with a new isolated subframe for the short long arm, slaw, independent rear suspension configuration that optimizes both comfort and the vehicle's responses to driver inputs. The slaw system delivers a desirable balance between front and rear compliance over larger bumps in the road, for smoother journeys. Multi-compound bushes feature different stiffness characteristics when stressed in different directions, separating the subframe from the body structure for better isolation of smaller bumps and improved noise, vibration, and harshness. A unique slaw geometry for Focus wagon models repositions the dampers, helping the vehicle remain agile and responsive even with a fully loaded boot, and helping maximize boot space with a wider load floor area. A lightweight twist beam rear suspension configuration is also offered, refined to deliver the distinctive character and driving dynamics customers expect from Focus. Enhanced using the same Ford patented force vectoring spring technology that supports the responsive, engaging, and fun-to-drive experience of the all-new Fiesta ST, the twist beam configuration is designed to complement the lighter 1.0-liter EcoBoost and 1.5-liter EcoBlue powertrains. The advanced spring technology applies vectoring forces to the rear suspension, enabling cornering forces to travel directly into the spring for increased lateral stiffness, and improving stability, agility, and responsiveness for an even more enjoyable driving experience. Refinement of 5-door models equipped with slaw suspension is further enhanced with the first introduction of Ford's CCD technology for Focus, which every 2 milliseconds monitors suspension, body, steering and braking inputs, and adjusts damping responses for outstanding ride quality. The technology also helps reduce the impact of driving through potholes, by detecting the edge of a pothole and adjusting the dampers so that the wheel doesn't fall as far into it. Because the tire and wheel don't drop as far, they don't strike the opposite side of the pothole as harshly. The rear suspension can respond even faster, with a signal from the front wheel providing a pre-warning to the rear wheel well before it reaches the pothole. The CCD system also supports drive mode technology. Normal, Sport and Eco modes are offered for the first time on a Ford Focus, enabling drivers to immediately adjust throttle pedal, 8-speed automatic gearbox, electronic power-assisted steering, EPAS, and ACC characteristics to match the driving situation. When equipped with CCD, Focus also offers Comfort and Eco Comfort drive modes, and will adjust the suspension character accordingly. A new column-mounted EPAS system and new software deliver an even more responsive, intuitive, and engaging feel for a brilliantly rewarding driving experience, complemented by comfort-enhancing features including torque steer compensation. Focus also debuts a bespoke, in-house developed Ford stability control system tailored to support Ford driving dynamics, and featuring torque vectoring control. Braking distances from 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, are reduced by up to 1 meter, supported by the new electric brake booster for select models that builds pressure faster, and delivers a more confident and consistent pedal feel across a broader range of operating conditions. Ford Focus is the first vehicle to be manufactured using Ford's all-new C2 platform that, combined with an all-new body structure, enabled engineers to enhance stiffness for greater responsiveness. Torsional rigidity is improved by 20% compared with the previous generation Focus, and the stiffness of individual suspension attachment points is increased by up to 50%, reducing flex for better body control. The all-new Focus features an innovative method to increase the stiffness of the rear structure, developed for the acclaimed Ford Focus RS model. An extruded foam is inserted wet into a rear underbody cavity during the assembly process, which then dries and expands under the heat of the paint drying process to deliver 10% or greater local lateral rigidity with minimal additional weight. From the 10 mm lower Ford Focus ST line with unique springs, dampers, and stabilizer bars, to the more than 30 mm raised Focus Active with unique front and rear knuckles, the chassis of every derivative has been tuned to deliver the immediately recognizable Focus character. Focus and a class-leading fun-to-drive experience go hand in hand, and we have no intention of letting any competitor steal that crown, Redder said. Our all-new chassis combined with sophisticated technologies like drive modes and continuously controlled damping deliver the agility and responsiveness of a hot hatchback, with the refined ride of a large executive car.